Engineering design teams have different needs. Many want to communicate more efficiently with their partners. Some need better ways of securing, storing and revising their data. And others are looking to provide structure to their team's processes. So how do you solve these needs without your creativity taking a backseat to everyday file management tasks such as these? With cloud services, there are convenient tools like Share a File that allow you to share your designs both internally and externally. Simply indicate whether you'd like input on the design, who you'd like to share your design with, and the feedback that you're looking for. No file attachments or viewers to download, just a notification with a link allowing controlled access to your content from a browser. Dimensions can be taken, sketches and markups can be made on the model to communicate design ideas. When finished, comments capture the markup and can be used to request additional information. You can access any comments and markups right from the task pane within SOLIDWORKS. When it's time to make design changes, Cloud Services has a built-in revision management that's as easy as saving the model and drawing. Simply add a note indicating what's changing and your new revision is securely saved to the cloud. On the drawing, the revision table automatically updates for you with your change comments. Plus, you can track the progress of your designs by simply updating their maturity. No need for moving files to new folders or creating new file names, just convenient tools designed to make your life easier and keep you focused on your designs. You can now choose to share the drawing as a PDF with your supplier or a different file format, or update the existing share file with the new design. Either way, you're in control of the access. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform is your online design hub. Powerful search capabilities allow you to find and add components from the cloud with ease, fully supporting your favorite features like mate references. Each member can lock a portion of the design. And because your designs are securely stored on the cloud, you can access them from anywhere at any time. Preview your designs right in the browser while taking advantage of powerful capabilities like being able to compare your design revisions. Explore the structure of your design with the built-in search, allowing you to easily navigate to a component of interest. Focus on the part and access all of the associated custom properties. When you're ready to bring more structure to your engineering processes, Cloud Services have you covered. Use the convenient tags to filter your design by status and formalize your release process by dragging your designs into a pre-existing route that has been set up for design reviews. Approval routes can have linear or parallel approval tasks assigned to members of the team. Once the tasks are complete, you'll have full access to the sign-off history, and completing the route will automatically update the status of the attached designs. Not only can you manage your approval process, you can also track and resolve design issues. Location tags provide feedback on what the challenge is and who identified it. Detailed descriptions and recommended actions are outlined, and the CAD items are also attached. And to ensure no one is duplicating work, the issue can be assigned to specific members of the team. Comments allow for social feedback that remains connected to the task at hand and not lost in email chains. When completed, you can update the issue with a simple drag and drop. Export a pre-formatted presentation to update your team in your next design review. In summary, Share and Markup allows you to share files both internally and externally, receive feedback in real time and make changes. Store and revise utilities now allow us to manage our data even easier than before. You can now further manage your data by raising and solving issues directly related to your CAD designs.